Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to disable ads on Cut the Rope game. If you are playing Cut the Rope and you are seeing lots of ads between levels or when starting, then you might prefer a more uninterrupted experience, which is to simply turn off the ads. First of all, launch open Cut the Rope game on your device and make sure that you're signed in. And once you're inside this main game menu, go to the top right corner and look for the ads option and tap on it. You will see no ads bundle on the next page. To remove ads, you'll need to spend $12.07, and once you do that, you'll be able to acquire all of these packages with exclusive candy skin, 10,000 coins, 250 boosters, and no ads as well. Click on the green button. This price may vary depending upon your region. After you tap on it, follow through the on-screen instructions and provide your payment method if necessary. After you spend the money, you'll then be able to acquire the no ads bundle on your game. After you make a purchase for that, you'll not see any ads and enjoy uninterrupted experience while playing Cut the Rope. However, if you don't want to pay, then you can also turn on the airplane mode on your Android device before playing, and this may prevent the game from fetching ad content. However, this is not guaranteed. Even with the airplane mode on, you might still be able to watch ads while playing the game. So that was how you can easily turn off or disable ads on Cut the Rope. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.